My Masterclass is only $65. Hi, y'all. It's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant and owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services. Now, in this video, I share why this class is so important, what you'll learn, and how it can change the way you price and present your commercial cleaning services forever. You'll learn how to price confidently. You'll avoid the most common bidding mistakes. Hear real results from my mentees who have won major contracts. I'm turning 65. My company, KSC Commercial Cleaning, is turning 15. And this year marks 22 years since I survived 4 brain aneurysms. Now, I've built a business from the ground up, and now I help others win commercial contracts with confidence. That's why, for the first time ever, I'm offering my full Bidding Masterclass for just $65. Not because it's not worth more, but because this is my gift to you. So if you own a cleaning business and you're tired of guessing how to price jobs, this class is for you. The link will be in the description. $65 over 2 hours of real bidding strategies. So tap the link. Don't miss it. Don't miss out. Let's make this your breakthrough season. Talk to you soon. This is Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant.